This is Roger Josephian, Project Manager with Paul Risk Construction, to tell you about our fourth project for the Piazza Auto Group, Mercedes-Benz of Westchester. We'll be doing a total showroom renovation to bring in the new Evolution program, including Main Stage, AMG Stage, and EQ Stage. EQ will display Mercedes-Benz's electric vehicle line. We will also repaint walls and ceilings, do epoxy floors, and new rapid overhead doors in the shop and internal driveway areas. The building exterior will be completely updated with new roofing and replacing all stone veneer and drive it with aluminum panels. Site work includes a parking expansion and landscaping. We are excited to be renovating this impressive 120,000 square foot dealership and for this opportunity to work with the Piazza family once again.